Previously on Meet the Sullivans.
You send me a package from Amazon?
Yes, I sent a gift for Camille.
Me have my wedding to think about and a whole heap of things on my mind right now.
You ever once think about how I am feeling? Nothing.
You alright?
Whoa. You know, I book a weekend.
Anywhere but there.
You know, and Trevor Sullivan knows me or something.
Trevor Sullivan is dead to me.
Why you one, take out a restraining order, or two, make the police guard police, cause if that not happen, me a f her up.
Hi Kamisha, it's Auntie Nicey. I want you to give your dad a message for me.
So it was 12 o'clock when the light went out, right? I was on my laptop, I was listening to songs and all that stuff, and the light just cut off. So I went into the hall and I started crocheting, and then there's the back door. It was like someone was like banging on the back door, like trying to like open the back door. And I'm like, oh look, Melissa's here. So no, I grabbed my grandma's phone and I started videoing through the kitchen window, and I'm like, well, Hurricane 5, Melissa has arrived to Jamaica. What are we gonna do? And then, cause grandma had to go fix the dogs, like make sure they're safe. Grandpa went outside, and then I went outside, and I stayed out there for at least 15 minutes because
By yourself?
yes,
What?
I was like outside. I was like at the doorway, but like the leaves, I had no idea trees could dance. the trees had better moves than me.
What?
Yes, then my grandma was like, come inside, be careful, come inside from Melissa blow you away. So I came inside, and then I went to the where'd I go? I went to the dining room window, and like the gutter, it was like you know,
I was rushing down.
yeah, like when a dam breaks, but it's exactly like that,
Gushing.
like gushing, and like it started, and what happened after? And then grandma, like the back door, back to the back door, and yes, grandma went outside to go like check. So, I saw her machine in the gutter.
What?
The machine on the back. The machine on the back brand went inside the gutter. So I went to grandma had to go outside, and she checked, and like it was gone. Everything, the barrels with all the heavy stuff in there, they were literally on the step.
What?
And so she had to go outside and get her barrel, and grandpa was like, come inside, and I held onto her hand while I was just there videoing everything. Someone's roof, one of the houses all the way up there, one of the rooftops came off.
So Kamisha, you weren't scared?
No, I wasn't scared. I was more nervous, but it was exciting.
Exciting, Kamisha? What?
Yeah, because I had my grandma's phone and I was videoing myself, and I was like, guys, this is my first time in a Category 5 hurricane. That's what I actually said to the phone.
All of that is nice, Kamisha. But you understand the damage the hurricane has caused?
I mean, yes, when I heard it on the radio and I heard the death toll, and on the Wednesday after the hurricane, I came out and I walked. Everything was like...
And you know how worried I was, Kamisha? Being in Kingston, not hearing from you and your grandma, and you down there have a whole feed there?
See, it was funny-ish, but I was worried too.
Well, I was worried. Not to mention your father. He was having a fit.
He was having a fit, or he was throwing a fit?
You know what I mean. Where's your father anyways?
I honestly and truly do not know.
Sometimes we really can't bother with you, Kamisha.
Oh, Mom, does that mean you're going to put off the wedding because of the hurricane?
Well, I don't know, Kamisha, because the person who was supposed to do the cake, they're from the west side.
So that means I'm not going to be able to wear my dress?
Yes, but not for now. We have to set a new date. Finish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, Mommy, when you find Daddy, tell him that I need to talk to him.
Your father na last na, Kamisha. But when you find daddy. Babe, you okay?
Man, I'm good, man. Just there, I look on the things that I forgot there, so. Plus, I forgot to do a runaway beer. With all of that. So I have to put off all the wedding and every little thing just come down one time. So it just seems that way, you know?
Yeah, I understand, but come here. Everything are gonna be alright. We name now. Look at it this way. It could have been worse. You realize what happened to Donna West?
Yeah. Kamisha did there, Trelawney. Hey. My head go off. Me almost mad.
You're lucky. Now worry about your daughter. She said it was exciting. Look at this, eh? She had record on her phone.
And that she do? You see why I tell you so she need for the which part with it?
Trevor, you can't protect her all the time, you know? Plus, remember, a Kamisha first experience. Maybe I saw with this dear.
Well, that's true. Remember me used to play all ball when them say hurricane a come. Remember all Gilbert, you know? Gilbert a pass, you know? It pass and me look, blue pass one. And then me look up and me see the sky blue. Me say, yes, it pass and gone. But you see when the next part of it a come, you turn up in a one shop, all the shop get up and spin with me.
You know them say the chip never fly far from a block. I say your daughter did dramatic a while ago, you know.